Rumors are circulating about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and if they're true, this could be a huge leap forward for ultralight drones. Reports indicate that it might be the first in its class to feature LiDAR technology, improving obstacle detection, mapping, and night flying. While DJI hasn't confirmed anything yet, expectations are high for the next generation of the Mini series. In today's video, we will discuss every leak and rumor surrounding this drone. Let's begin. The DJI Mini 5 Pro's design represents a masterful balance of innovation and regulatory compliance. The most notable exterior change appears to be the newly integrated vented motors, which suggest improved thermal management and performance capabilities. The drone must maintain the crucial sub-250-gram weight limit while incorporating advanced features like LiDAR sensors, visible as additional black sensors between the traditional obstacle avoidance arrays. To achieve this, DJI engineers likely made significant adjustments to the battery and frame materials, using advanced composites or optimized structural designs. The chassis appears to maintain the foldable arm design characteristic of the Mini series, prioritizing portability without compromising stability. The camera gimbal housing may be slightly larger to accommodate the rumored 1-inch sensor, though DJI's expertise in miniaturization could help maintain compact dimensions. The overall form factor is expected to remain similar to its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro, ensuring compatibility with existing accessories and maintaining the series' reputation for exceptional portability. The drone will weigh precisely 249 grams, maximizing its capabilities while staying under the critical 250-gram regulatory threshold. Flight time is expected to see a substantial increase from the current 40 minutes to 55 minutes or even 60 minutes, suggesting significant advancements in battery technology and power management. The integration of 5G connectivity promises enhanced transmission ranges and more stable connections for real-time video feeds. The improved motors, identifiable by their vented design, should deliver better performance in challenging weather conditions while maintaining efficient power consumption. The drone will likely feature enhanced wind resistance capabilities. Storage options might include support for larger capacity microSD cards, possibly up to 1 terabyte, to accommodate the increased data requirements of higher resolution footage and LiDAR mapping data. The standout feature of the Mini 5 Pro is its groundbreaking inclusion of LiDAR technology, a first for ultralight drones. This advancement promises superior obstacle avoidance and 3D mapping capabilities, particularly useful in dark lighting conditions. The drone's AI tracking system is expected to receive significant upgrades, enabling more precise subject following and complex automated flight patterns. Advanced obstacle avoidance will likely operate in all directions, combining traditional sensors with LiDAR data. The rumored inclusion of 5G connectivity could enable features like longer range control and higher quality real-time video transmission. Autonomous flight capabilities might include enhanced versions of existing features like master shots and quick shots, possibly with new creative options leveraging the improved processing power. The drone could also introduce new mapping capabilities, taking advantage of the LiDAR system to create detailed 3D scans of environments, opening up new possibilities for surveying and creative applications. The rumored 1-inch sensor represents a significant upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor, delivering superior low-light performance and enhanced dynamic range. This larger sensor, combined with DJI's image processing expertise, should result in noticeably improved image quality, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. Video capabilities are expected to match or exceed current professional standards, delivering 5.1K recording at 50 frames per second and 4K at up to 100 frames per second for smooth, slow-motion footage. The larger sensor could also provide better depth of field control, allowing for more cinematic shots. HDR video capabilities might provide real-time HDR preview and recording. Still photography could see improvements in resolution and bit depth, offering 48 megapixel or higher resolution captures. The combination of improved optics and advanced image processing might also result in better color accuracy and reduced noise in both photos and videos, particularly in high ISO situations. Multiple sources hint at a late 2025 release for the DJI Mini 5 Pro, with November emerging as the most likely launch month. This timing aligns with DJI's typical product cycle and would mark approximately 2 years since the Mini 4 Pro's release. While pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, we can expect it to be positioned slightly higher than the Mini 4 Pro's launch price, potentially around $859 to $959. Reflecting the addition of premium features like LiDAR and the improved camera system. The DJI Mini 5 Pro positions itself uniquely in the drone market, particularly when compared to its competitors and siblings in the DJI lineup. Against the current Mini 4 Pro, it offers significant upgrades in sensor size, flight time, and obstacle avoidance capabilities. The addition of LiDAR technology brings it closer to the capabilities of higher-end models like the Air 3S, but in a much more compact package. Compared to competitors in the sub-250-gram category, such as the Autel Nano series, the Mini 5 Pro's rumored specifications suggest it will maintain DJI's market leadership position. The extended flight time of up to 60 minutes would surpass most competitors by a significant margin, while the combination of a 1-inch sensor and LiDAR would be unmatched in this weight class. In terms of price-to-performance ratio, the Mini 5 Pro appears positioned to offer features previously only available in drones weighing over 250 grams, such as the DJI Air series. This could make it an attractive option for both enthusiast photographers and professional users who need advanced features but want to avoid the regulatory requirements associated with heavier drones. While DJI hasn't officially announced the Mini 5 Pro yet, the rumors paint an exciting picture of what could be a game-changing drone. If these leaks are accurate, the new Mini 5 Pro will push the boundaries of what's possible in a sub-250-gram drone. The addition of LiDAR, a bigger sensor, and a longer flight time would make this drone stand out not just in the Mini series, but in the entire lightweight drone market. The expected price increase seems reasonable given these major upgrades. However, it's important to remember that these are still rumors, and the final product might be different. We'll have to wait until late 2025 to see exactly what DJI has in store for us. For now, the Mini 4 Pro remains an excellent choice for those who need a capable ultralight drone. That's all for today about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Thanks for watching. Share your opinion in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more.